Hello. So I'm Paulina. I work for myself. I'm a consultant. So I've seen the same mess everywhere in so many organizations. So let's go back to basics. So DevOps, it's not a department. It's not a title. It's not something what we can buy. So, but what's the misconception about it? It's not a team. How can we solve it? Well, everyone is trying. No one can really do it well. That's the common problem which I see in everyone, from startup, public, yeah. What is it? It's a culture. And that's where we go to basics and how we do it work. It's not dev, it's not ops, it's not pipelines, it's not the tools. So that's how we're trying to make it work and focus to actually deliver. But change is hard, we don't like it, we like to be in our own comfortable spot, and no, YAML doesn't really help with it. So you need to work on it daily, in, day out, every small thing matter. So we have dev, test, ops, security, we all live in our own world, which don't really talk to each other, so here we go. Silo city, no communication, separate worlds, own tools. So what can we do? Well, first thing, sit together, talk to each other, understand why, get some food, get some beers, that usually helps with being able to make it more work. But then what's next? We need a why. We don't only get hype for DevOps, platform, or anything. We need to understand what's actually causing it and what's our motivation behind it, what are we trying to solve. And once we have our why, then we need to ask leadership, hey, what are we getting out of it? Because they don't like just skeptical, they want an ROI, they want, oh, less downtime, less problems, then maybe we can spend some money and time on it. Well, but how do you get everyone to communicate? Well, DevOps, it's not my job, I commit the code, the end of my work, let's other worry about it. And what comes next? Well, we have Ops, who's trying to not be only janitors, not only being, human firefighters, and only staying after hours and deal with all the fires which devs puts on in the production. So, but then we got the platform coming to the picture, and okay, DevOps, it's not cool anymore. Of course, we got one centralized tool which can deal with all, but does it change the culture? Not really. So another shiny tool? Well, we need some trust between the people to actually be able to solve it. And tools doesn't equal always trust. It can help, it can get shit, but well, what trust helps with? We have trust, gives us collaboration. If we have better collaboration, we can have a better speed and better outcomes. And then we get management happy, actually, when we can deliver what we promise. But they want to see how the change looks like. So when we get metrics, we get DORA, we get lead time, how many incidents we have, what's your average time, mean time to recovery, and so on. But well, then AI entered the picture, and AI hype, love it, but we can, the AI chat doesn't gonna solve culture for us and communication for us, even if we can talk to it. So yeah, it helps, but it doesn't replace. Let it help us, but culture and our own communication is still there, even if we have AI agents and AI agents which can talk to each other. Well, what actually can work? Talk to each other, communicate, put the common goals, not only common repos. Okay, I talk too fast. And every action pretty much it matters, so compound interest, be resilient, do everything with certain action and intention behind it. And doesn't matter what label you put, is it SRE, DevOps, platform, whatever. It's a culture which you're trying to collaborate with each other and get common goals. Labels change, the results, not really. So it's not a job title, it's not a department, it's a mindset. Focus on this.
Woo! Thank you so much. That was fantastic.